My name is Igor Stanik, Senior Product PR Manager for NVIDIA for EMEA region, and my partial focus is the Tegra, and I'm here basically to show you our next-gen Project Logan with the mobile Kepler GPU. So this is the basically demo we were showing on the GTC this year. It's called FaceWorks, and it's showing this beautifully rendered face with lots of details. And basically here you can show or you can see the graphics, which is on the same level of details as we know from the PCs. It's impressive to see that we are running from mobile class hardware, because before we were using really Titan, which is our fastest GPU. Now we have like the Project Logan with power envelope between 2 to 3 watts. So the face itself, it's rendered with OpenGL 4.3. And as well, we have a tessellation here, and especially I like this subsurface scattering effects, which looks very realistic, and it's really amazing for the mobile hardware. So imagine the quality or the gains you can get basically in maybe a year time frame. We said that the first the Logan-based products arrive in the first half of next year. So it's pretty impressive. So I can change the lighting, we can see the details of the face. So again, let's switch back for the subsurface scattering, so it's especially nicely visible on his arrow. So it's pretty impressive. Okay, this is my second demo. It's called Island, and we basically using the island to show the capability of mobile Kepler to use the tessellation. So let me stop the movement, and we can switch on the wireframe model. So you see the amount of polygons we're rendering here, and everything is very smooth, especially because we're using a tessellation. And now when I disable the tessellation, the amount of the polygons and triangles generally we need to render, it's much higher. So of course the frame rate will get a big performance hit between 200 to 300%, and everything is dropping around 11 frames per second, which is definitely not smooth. But if I turn on the tessellation, you see that we are dropping slightly amount of polygons we need to render, but the frame rate is increasing back to the 30 frames per second, which is much smoother. So it's very impressive that you can use a tessellation on a mobile Kepler and the Project Logan on the same way you know it from the big PCs. And then of course you can get much more intensive games. Imagine that in the future you can basically play games like Assassin's Creed easily on the mobile class hardware, your mobile phone or the tablet. So it's pretty impressive.